stop at nothing at all. Take a chance now, right now, 'cause now I'm losing control. I'm ready to go. This time you should take me away to a new place where we just might keep an eye on the sky.
Alright, pull it in hard. See how it goes. Did it get you?
That was fun. It's really fun.
That's good stuff, huh? Did it get you at all?
No? I like this one better. Like that?
Together, both of them.
Oh, black.
That's a big jump.
It's really hard to get right in the middle of that target. It's like...
Why don't we step out
I just,
of line?
and then, yeah. And then you slide through. There you go.
Time, forget about the to-dos and open
It's gonna be a while. Atta boy. You can just rack it again and shoot again. It's okay if it's. It's okay. There you go. See the wind that people rifles? The That's the power. That could hurt you. Yeah, it could. Big deal. Yeah. Everything's okay? Yeah. Thank you. Perfect. That thing smells nice. That was a light trigger. It's a light trigger. Bounce it and it won't go off. But as soon as you think about it, yeah. Let's see where it's nice. Hold on. Oh. That was nice. Alright, let's see where you hit it. 308.
Wait, I wonder if I get.
That was awesome.
Can I fire again?
closer than me?
Yeah, that was a good one.
Nice.
That was coming. Right? Now she'll be scared and she'll.
Yeah, let's see.
No, I actually, now that I know what it feels like. I like guns.
Guns are fun. Alright, now push it forward. Someone's good at it. Push it hard and lock it down. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Hold on. Safety's on. You're good now. You starter to do your homework. Is that the number one total?
I think I missed. That wasn't bad.
That's a hit. It was just hit the third. It looks worse than it is.
Yeah.
Right. Now cleared away.
He was down with 6 power.
What does that mean?
Less power, you're not seeing far away.
The target. So we had you.
Is that easier? That thing.
Yeah.
Now I can see it.
Okay, steel one. Next, right?
Where are you going for it, Ben, so I can...
This first steel one.
Okay.
Way off. Way off.
I heard it.
Smells good.
You got it. Nice, Ben. He's a shooter.
Yeah, I know.
You got it.
But I hit it.
Yeah, yeah. I heard it.
Get it? Sounds like it.
I think we do.
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah.
Did I?
Yeah. You can't tell when that thing fires if you hit it because it's your
Because your ears are ringing.
yeah.
Biggest guy here shooting the biggest gun.
Looks like you got a piece of it.
Trigger and shoulder ready and lean forward. Lean forward.
It rocked them. It rocked them. They're 12 gauge shells. These are the custom made.
Wow. People know you.
Stand out. You're wearing bright orange.
Yeah.
Woo! I think that one got
up?
it. Huh?
Who's got a muzzle brake? Yeah, you.
Yeah.
I hit it.
That's good. I'm good.
This is an early World War II.
Miss?
Oh, sprung it.
I did?
Yeah, I heard it.
Okay.
You got it? I like guns.
Guns are fun.